We chose Owings Brothers after an extensive search for somebody who was going to help us with this big project. We wanted a company that looked at the whole project from beginning to end, not just in incremental parts. We wanted somebody who could help with design, demolition, construction, and full delivery.
I want the whole house to be beautiful, useful, and comfortable, and they absolutely delivered on all of that. When they came out to the property and looked through everything, and they seemed so interested in the project, they brought several of the brothers and some specialists and spent a lot of time here looking everything over and getting an idea of how they would take us through to the ultimate house that we wanted it to be.
One of the best things on this project, because the project lasted 10 months, was the fact that they communicated with us many different ways. We received texts all the time. We talked with them on the phone all the time. We also had this great portal called Co-Construct in which we can monitor the project online at any time we wanted, 24 hours a day.
The interior designers were great and so much fun to work with. We really valued their opinions as we moved through the process.
Things that we couldn't see, they could see. They stopped us from making mistakes. They were able to draw from their experience on similar projects to really help us make this vision come true. I'm standing in the kitchen right now, and one of my favorite features is the fact that this is a family space. Not only do we prepare food in here, but it's a place where the whole family can come together, enjoy meals. We can have a bunch of people around the island. We can have people around the dining room table, and we can celebrate together.
The other feature that I really love is the living room windows. They are so large and beautiful, and the vista through the windows is really easy to take in, and that just makes the living room very special.
We certainly expected high quality from anybody we would use for a project like this, but they made the customer experience so great that we continue to use them.